Hope you all are doing well. My plants are doing well too. If you don't know me, my name is Sutopa and I am crazy about plants. My channel Crazy Plant Lady is a channel all about plants, mainly house plants. In my videos, I share all my experiences, those I have been collecting throughout the years as a plant parent. If you are new here, kindly take a moment to subscribe my channel. I post new videos on every Sunday. Without further ado, let's jump straight to our today's discussion. Today's video is all about my Ficus elastica collection and I will also discuss about their care. Ficus elastica, which is commonly known as rubber plant, is a popular ornamental house plant from the Ficus genus. It can grow huge, like 30 feet tall when it grows outside, but in indoor its height is manageable. There are a number of varieties Ficus elastica plant which are grown successfully as a house plant, like this one, original Ficus plant, Ficus elastica decora. This one has absolutely stunning, beautiful, glossy green leaves. Its leaves can grow up to a foot. Now, this one is Ficus elastica burgundy. Its leaves are like nearly reddish, brownish, burgundy color. It is also very glossy and beautiful Ficus plant. And this one is Ficus elastica ruby. This has beautiful pink variation on the leaves. Ficus elastica ruby. And now this one is Ficus triangulare. This plant is very beautiful with its triangular shaped leaves, but these leaves are little small in size. But this can be grow a huge and very bushy Ficus plant. And last I have this one, Ficus elastica mini. It is nearly same as the Ficus elastica decora. Its leaves are nearly same, but these leaves are smaller than the original one. That's why it is Ficus elastica mini. Now about their care. All Ficus elastica plant needs nice bright indirect light. Even couple of hours of early morning sunlight will benefit the growth of this plant, but not midday or late morning sunlight, because that can burn the leaves of the plant or can make scorch mark on the leaves. But one thing I want to mention, always rotate your plants towards the source of the light. It will help the plant to grow straight. But at the same time, in very low light condition, Ficus elastica can start dropping leaves. So try to give this plant bright indirect sunlight. Water your Ficus plants when the top soil is dry to touch, and always choose a pot for your Ficus plant with sufficient drainage hole so that the extra water can drain out. Never allow your Ficus plant stay on water. Remove the saucer or drip tray if any water left in the tray after 30 minutes of watering. Now for soil. I have discussed about soil in my previous video in detail. I have also mentioned 3 types of soil mix in that video, and also written about those soil in the description box of that video. If you have not seen that video yet, I am giving the link of that video in the description box below. Just one thing, remember that ficus plant also need very well draining, very light well draining potting soil mix. Now for humidity. Average humidity of your house is fine for ficus elastica plant. You can mist these plants time to time if the air is very dry. And one more thing you can do, you can wipe off the leaves of the plant with a wet, soft cotton or microfiber cloth to remove the dirt from the leaves. It will help the leaves to look glossy and shiny. It also helps the plant to absorb more sunlight. So humidity is not a big problem for this ficus plant. Ficus elastica or rubber plant can grow happily in a broad range of temperature, like from 10 degrees centigrade to 35 degrees centigrade. It can grow easily. But if the temperature grows higher than this, the leaves can start curling. But as soon as temperature goes down, it should come back in its normal position. And same thing can be happen in extreme cold temperature like exposure to frost. So try to keep your ficus elastica plant in the temperature between 10 degrees centigrade to 35 degrees centigrade. Now for fertilizer. These plants need some fertilizer to grow fast. Fertilizer with high phosphorus can stimulate root development, and for a mature plant, use a nitrogen enriched fertilizer to produce much foliage. Apply fertilizer once in a month during growing period, as this stimulates full and healthy foliage development. I use Bloomberry growth booster and seaweed solution alternatively once in a month. It helps the plants to grow and produce shiny and glossy leaves. Now for pruning and propagation. You can propagate these plants from stem tip cuttings. I have not yet done this with any of my ficus plants. If your ficus plant has grown to the height you want it to grow up to, you can cut the top off to give the plants a fuller look, as the cutting of the top will promote side growth. So that's all for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly like, comment and share my video. And if you have any question regarding ficus elastica plant and their care, please feel free to write in the comment section below. Thank you so much.